शौचालयों का उपयोग न करें। धन्यवाद। May I have your attention please? Being on time is a wonderful thing and we at Indigo are committed to it. One small yet significant way to achieve this is by preparing our cabin for the next flight. We request you to check your seating area and seat back pocket for any items that you may wish to discard. If we owe you any balance amount during service, please get in touch with the cabin crew member now. If you would like to share any feedback related to our service, please write it to the email IDs provided in the Color 60 magazine. We have begun our descent. Once the seatbelt signs are illuminated, kindly switch off all electronic devices. Ensure that the window shades are open, seat back is straightened, tray table is closed, seatbelt is securely fastened, and please do